Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Corolla wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely with the engine completely off. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for both sides. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You will see a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade down or off the J-hook connector. It should detach with a gentle pull. Always hold the wiper arm securely to prevent it from snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. With the old blade removed, it is time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up into the J-hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked in place. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto your windshield. Finally, repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Toyota Corolla. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your vehicle and test them using your windshield washer fluid. Ensure they clear the glass effectively and smoothly. Remember, replacing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months helps maintain clear visibility and driving safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.